Come here, brother. What's going on?
Man, just working out.
Huh?
Just working out.
Just hang on here. What's going on with... You ain't gonna put your hands up. You ain't gonna put your hands on the wall. What happened in Walgreens?
Man, I ain't going walking.
They just called us.
They said what?
I'm gonna be 10-12 with the 712.
What did they say?
They say you're causing an issue inside the store.
No.
Where do you live at? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get.
No. I didn't say right here. No.
Don't touch me.
I'm telling you, you ain't going back in there.
No.
Alright.
Go.
Hey man, come on.
Come on, girl.
Come on. Hey, I told you this time, man. I just told you not to go back in there. Where you going? Come here. Stop moving. You move again, I'm gonna have to put you in handcuffs. Right? So you're just gonna call from them and tell them that you're not to be in there, and now you're going back in there. Right? You gotta calm down. Right? You calm down, I can work with you. So what happened inside Walgreens?
Yeah.
You say you're working out?
Yeah.
Alright.
What they say happened? What they say happened?
Well, they say you were yelling at people inside, and you're here.
No, I ain't yelling at nobody. I was just working out.
Alright, what's your first name?
Richard LaKey Simmons.
What is it?
Richard LaKey Simmons.
Way back.
I just went home. What going to jail for?
Turn around. I'm gonna double cuff you, alright? Don't move your hand.
What I'm going to jail for?
Trespassing. Oh, you guys just law with him? Oh, okay.
I ain't trespassing then.
You've already been trespassing here, bro.
Oh, you just walked back in there when I was here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I ain't mean to walk in there, bro. You gonna do me like that?
We got to, buddy. No choice. We told you to go home, man. We knew there was going to be issues because you've been drinking. We were cool with you earlier. We tried to give you the benefit of the doubt.
Bro, I'm sorry, bro. Take me to the house,
Rich,
bro.
I know you're a good guy, but we got to do what we got to do.
Please, bro, take me to the house, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
What do you need? While I was here, you walked back into this one.
No, I did not do that wrong, G.
You just walked back in there.
He's still for a long minutes anyway, so it's fine.
Yeah.
But I stole.
You didn't steal anything this time. Last time you did, they arrested you.
What do
Deputy
you need? Me to get
Matthews,
anything?
No, but I went trying to
information. Photo.
I went trespassing from it, bro.
What happened was you were arrested last year from Walgreens.
Yes, sir.
You were trespassed, and the trespass was valid for 1 year. That trespass was in August of last year, so it's valid.
I just wanted to get my cousin some food. That's it,
Not
bro.
supposed to go in there at all.
Oh, I'm sorry. Bro, you really gonna take me to jail for that, bro?
Listen here, man. Yeah.
Bro, really, bro.
We bros.
Bro, that's fucked up, bro.
You causing certain issues.
All right, so I got to take off your necklace and your earrings to go in your bag, okay?
No, bro, don't even touch me, bro. I get that when I get to the county jail.
No, it's coming off. It's coming off now.
You ain't go home like you told me. Fuck you, Carl. You suck my dick. You a bitch. That's on my mama. Hey, I'm not resisting the rain.
Relax.
You do not.
Carl, you can't walk.
You know, we'll get the jail to take it off.
Do not do that.
Can't walk me, Carl. I ain't do nothing wrong.
What are you doing?
He's trespassing. He's trespassed one last August.
Oh, from here?
Yeah. So, it's up to you, bro.
Bro, everyone's body cameras on, right?
That's right. I ain't putting that on my face. I'm not doing that wrong.
It's for COVID.
No. I got some.
Have you been vaccinated?
Bro, don't put that on my face. Lawson. Hey, the handcuff is too tight.
He does have the
handcuff is too tight.
We could take it
The
off.
handcuff is too tight on the right side. That's why I was doing that, bro.
Let's fix it for you.
Your safety, sir.
Bro, y'all is sad, bro.
Thank you.
Y'all is sad as fuck, bro. Bro, I'm finna sue y'all. Big lawsuit.
That's fine. Thank you, sir. We're
Yeah, Rick Bradshaw,
Yes, sir.
he
Thank
get
you.
out of chair.
Thank you.
We're gonna adjust them for you.
Look how tight that shit is around my wrist, man.
We're adjusting the handcuffs for you.
No,
right now.
bro. Y'all just finna get sued. They gotta tighten that shit in around my wrist. What the fuck? I'm back there uncomfortable, bro. Like I'm a homeless, like I'm a bum or something, bro. Treat me like I'm a bum. I'm not resisting arrest. I'm not doing that harm.
You said you were. We're fixing your customer.
I'm not doing that harm. I'm going to jail. I don't care nothing about jail.
The more you act up, the longer it takes.
Man, bro, you a bitch. I've been on you for this.
You're sending a copy of the report, right?
Not yet. I'll have 2 minutes.
Well, you will. Thank you. I'm gonna do a supplement. I put them in there.
Man, your bitch ass down, man. Been a bitch. I've been on you. Ugly ass opener. Hey, bro. That's how you. Hey.
I said turn your head and turn it, bro. Move out of the
No, look, he hit me.
Richard, relax.
He hit me.
Nobody's
He hit me. Yes,
No one's
he was.
hitting you,
He
sir.
had the face on my hand.
He's asking you
Yes,
to turn your
no,
head
it
so you can
I
put
put
the
my face
seatbelt
back.
on. Please
No,
stop
bro, it
resisting and
wasn't.
please
He
follow
was hitting me.
instructions.
He was
Thank
hitting
you,
me,
sir.
officer.
This is for you.
Yeah, on
Thank you,
camera.
sir.
It's on camera.
We want to make sure you're
It's on camera.
safely buckled in the
My
patrol
head back.
car. Thank you,
You
sir.
gotta sit back, bro.
No, you was
Thank you,
hitting me.
sir.
You was hitting me. Yeah, you was hitting me. There we go. Fuck you mean? You tried to. Yeah, I know what you was doing.
Sir, please stop resisting and get in the patrol car properly so we can safely buckle you. Thank you. Then let my deputy buckle you. Thank you. Let my deputy buckle you so you are safe. Thank you.
Suck my dick.
Thank you, sir.
Let's make sure this is smooth. You don't want to
Hit me. Try to
Let's
hit
cover
me.
his mouth. He's not going to spit anymore.
You
All right,
can't fight
thank
your
you.
hand up.
Thank you.
Soft.